Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a DC-40T-DN-W. It is a 4-inch, 4-digit countdown timer, and this is for JCB Systems, heavy equipment manufacturers in Georgia, and they state that they're going to be using it for takt time for 2 different sub-assembly areas. Provides visual and audible indication to the employees on when the station should index to ensure we hit our daily build plan. And this definitely will do that. It brings maximum awareness, so it's viewable up to 200 feet away. It's a 4-inch high LED. They requested that it has redundant controls, so you have the wired controls to your right, which plug in with an RJ45 connector, 25-foot cord, has the same functions as the wireless controller, which has a belt clip, 9-volt battery, totally wireless, 1500-foot range, 900 megahertz. So both controllers can do the same thing. One gives you local within 25 feet, one gives you a more distant remote 1500 feet. They just wanted minutes and seconds, so it can go up to 99 minutes, 59 seconds. The unique thing about this specific timer that they wanted was it loops, so once it gets down to 0, buzzes for 3 seconds, and then resets back to the last value that you set it to. And also the buzzer is adjustable for the customer for their Audible. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the controlling of it, how it's started right now, obviously. So I'm going to stop it, and I'm going to hit reset the last value or last value button, and I had it set for 72 minutes. You can clear that by zeroing it, and let's set it for, let's say, 15 seconds, which will give us the demonstration for the looping. I'm going to go ahead and start it. I'll start it with the wireless controller. Takes 120 wall outlet, regular wall outlet, plugs into the side here for your power, and then when it gets down to 0, you'll hear a 3-second tone. And as you can see, it went back to 15 seconds, and it just continues to loop. And this pretty much hands-free once it's started. And this just gives them indication that they need to be watching and aware of where they're at with their process. It can be hung on a 2x4 or 4x4 handy box, all aluminum enclosure, or a wall, just regular wall mount, mount it on the wall or set it on the desk. We have rubber feet that we include with them. And I guess that's it. This is Jim with DC Digital, and this is a DC-40T-DN-W with redundant controls and looping back to last value feature, and also adjustable end of period buzzer. Thanks for watching.